Sunshine. Achievers. Tech. Presented. Transportation. 1. What kind of transportation do you usually use?
I usually use my car for commuting within Jalandhar because it's convenient and saves time. However, for shorter distances, I often use an auto rickshaw or sometimes even walk.
2. How often do you use public transportation?
I don't use public transportation very often because buses in Jalandhar can be crowded and the routes are not always convenient. But occasionally, I take a bus or an auto rickshaw when my car is unavailable.
3. Do you prefer traveling by car or by public transport? Why?
I prefer traveling by car because it's more comfortable, especially during the summer when it's hot in Jalandhar. Also, having my own vehicle allows me to manage my time better. Public transportation here is affordable but not always reliable.
4. Is it easy to get around your city using public transportation?
It's somewhat easy, but the public transportation system in Jalandhar could be better. Auto rickshaws and buses are available, but they don't cover every area of the city, and the schedules aren't very consistent.
5. What is the most popular mode of transport in your hometown?
In Jalandhar, motorcycles and scooters are the most popular modes of transportation. You'll see a lot of people using them because they're affordable and can easily navigate through traffic.
6. How do you usually travel to work or school?
I usually travel by car to work because it's quicker and more convenient. It takes me about 20 minutes, depending on the traffic in Jalandhar.
7. Do you think people will use more public transport in the future? Why or why not?
It's possible if the public transportation system in Jalandhar improves. If there are better buses or even a metro system, more people might switch to public transport. But currently, most people prefer their own vehicles.
8. Do you think the transportation system in your city could be improved? How?
Yes, definitely. Jalandhar could benefit from better bus services with fixed schedules and cleaner stops. Introducing eco-friendly options like electric buses or bicycle lanes would also help reduce pollution.
9. Have you ever had any problems while traveling by public transport?
Yes, I have. Once, I was traveling on a bus in Jalandhar, and it was so overcrowded that I had to stand the entire journey. It was uncomfortable, especially on a hot day.
10. What do you think are the advantages of using bicycles for transportation?
Bicycles are great because they are eco-friendly and help you stay fit. In Jalandhar, some people still use bicycles, especially in rural areas. However, there aren't dedicated bicycle lanes, which makes it a bit unsafe.